How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be talking about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So what I do with these videos, I know they're not fitness related, which is, it's fine. Majority, 95% of my videos are fitness videos on this channel, but I do like to do a couple that are not. So that's why I'm making this vid. So with this video topic of hickeys, what I do is I just go on my subscription feed or my comment section and I read questions about hickeys from my comment section. So I get probably anywhere from 5 to 10 new questions every single day about hickeys. So I'm just gonna go over some of them. Actually, we'll go over one and then I'll answer it for the subscriber and hopefully you guys do learn something from it. But again, majority of these videos will be pretty similar just because, the questions that they are asking, they're not similar, they are different. It's just the way to get rid of a hickey is the same, I guess. The way that I recommend it is always going to be the same because it's the fastest way. But I will still answer the questions from the subscribers because there are lots of different questions. So let's get started right now. So just to sum it up, this subscriber is asking, can you get rid of a hickey with a spoon? That is actually the way that I recommend it, to be honest. So this subscriber basically asked a question that I always recommend. That's what I recommend in my videos, is to use a spoon or a coin. Generally, I would recommend a coin over a spoon just because it's easier in my opinion, but a spoon works, dude. I shouldn't say the coin's easier, it's just I would just use a coin over a spoon. That's just me, but a spoon and a coin, they work exactly the same. So with that being said, yes, a spoon will 100% work, and that's the way that I would recommend. Now, why does it work? People don't really understand that a hickey is just it's a bruise on your neck. So to get rid of it, all you have to do is simply rub the area, rub the bruise, create friction. And what happens is once you create friction, the hickey goes away. So the time limit, or the time that I recommend rubbing the spoon on your hickey for, is about 2 minutes. 2 minutes straight, putting decent amount of pressure on it will get rid of the hickey. If that doesn't work, try it for 5 minutes, and then that should 100% get rid of it. Trust me on this. So again, what I do in these videos, I just answer questions from the subscriber and just keep going over question after question from the subscribers. So end of video, hopefully I did answer your question. Yes, 100% you can use a spoon. So end of video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Thank you.